Welcome to the Brits Network. My name is Ken. Today on the desk we have the retro record player. This was actually a free qualifying gift with purchase in November 2024. It's set number 40699, ages 12 plus, and it's actually a limited edition. All right. So it roughly has 310 pieces, and it launched pretty much at the end of November of 2024, and it's supposed to run until the end of the year of 2024. But like all these gifts with purchases, if it sells out before then it's done. So anyway, let's have a quick look at the box. All right. Actually looks pretty cool. Side of the box, the back of the box. Cool little record there. Lifting mechanism. Nothing special there. Alright. So let's tear into the box. Alright, a couple plastic pieces there. Okay. Manual. Back 3. 4. That's it there. Okay, I don't see a sticker sheet, so it's interesting. Maybe I just missed it, but we'll chuck the box to the side. So back 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, no sticker sheet. Awesome. Flip the manual here, see if there's anything of note. Nope, nothing at all. All right. Well, let's get into the speed build. Welcome to the review portion. So this is set number 40699, the retro record player, and it's about 310 pieces, and it was a gift with purchase, and it came free with a qualifying purchase from lego.com in November 2024. So, around Thanksgiving, Black Friday, etc. I have to say, it's pretty good. I'm a huge vinyl collector as well, so seeing this gift with purchase, I mean, it's pretty good, I have to say. And I'll show you some of the functionality of it. First and foremost, 310 pieces. Gift with purchase it's a really good deal. I don't know what they're going for in the secondary market, unlike eBay and etc. But anytime you get so many pieces for free, hey, I'll take it. So first off, it has this closing lid, and you can kind of see here RCA, where the RCA cables would go, and this is the mechanism here that spins the record. And then in the front here, once you open the lid, there's a little hinge here with a little stick to kind of hold up the lid, and it goes in there quite like so. This here pivots, and then you have the mechanism in the back that spins the record, and this dial actually twists too. Then when you're done, rotate it back, and you can press that little lever up to kind of hold that in place. And yeah, it's a really nice piece. Really nice piece. I mean, it's quite impressive what they're able to do from a design perspective. All right. So there you have it, the review of 40699, the retro record player. And yeah, if they're still in stock, hey, just try to make a qualifying purchase. This is especially if you're a vinyl collector and you like old records and etc. Definitely give this a go. I mean, it went together really easy. It wasn't anything difficult to put together. No tricky steps or anything. The instructions were straightforward, and it's a quality piece. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.